Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Human heat tolerance lower than previously believed, study finds. A study from the University of Ottawa's Human and Environmental Physiology Research Unit, HEPRU, has confirmed that the limits for human thermoregulation are lower than previously thought. The findings are published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The research highlights the urgent need to address the impacts of climate change on human health. The study found that many regions may soon experience heat and humidity levels that exceed the safe limits for human survival. Trial shows tirzepatide may benefit people with obesity, kidney disease, and heart failure. The drug tirzepatide improved kidney function and cardiovascular outcomes among patients with obesity and heart failure with preserved ejection fraction (HFpEF) compared with placebo at 1 year, according to study published in Journal of the American College of Cardiology. The overall rate of cardiovascular death or worsening heart failure, the trial's primary endpoint, was higher in the 60% of study participants who also had chronic kidney disease. However, tirzepatide reduced the risk of the primary endpoint to a similar degree in patients with and without kidney disease. In the new analysis of data from the SUMMIT trial, researchers focused on patients with obesity, chronic kidney disease, and heart failure with preserved ejection fraction because they commonly have interacting root causes and are associated with poor outcomes, indicating a significant unmet need. Rural residents face higher heart health risks than urban residents. Study. A new study has found adults living in rural areas were more likely than those living in large cities to have heart disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, and diabetes. Across all age groups, the differences in high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes were largest among adults ages 20 to 39 living in rural areas versus cities. Investigators reviewed data from more than 27,000 adults who participated in the 2022 National Health Interview Survey to understand geographical differences in rates of heart disease and risk factors for conditions that affect the heart and blood vessels, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. They found that factors such as levels of income and education, having enough food to eat, and owning a home mostly explained the higher rates of people in rural areas who had high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.